Hello friend, good evening. Today I am going to explain question number 13 of the S block elements of the NCERT book of grade 11. Let's see the questions, what the question is all about. Question is potassium carbonate cannot be prepared by Solvay process. Okay. To understand this, we should know what is the Solvay process. First case, to understand the question, we should know what is the Solvay process. Second, the reason. Okay. In the Solvay process, the last step is there where that is NaHCO3, that is sodium bicarbonate, two molecules we took, is converted into the Na2CO3. Okay. And why this, this is the precipitate, this is the PPT, which is converted into the sodium bicarbonate. Now in the same case, if you are going for the potassium bicarbonate, so potassium bicarbonate, suppose two molecule of KHCO3 is there. Okay. And what will happen, it is KHCO3 is, do not give PPT. Do not give PPT. That is KHCO3 completely dissolve. So completely dissolve. So no formation of K2CO3. This we have to understand in the systematic order, that this is the based Solvay process is also based on the formation of precipitate, or another word you can say that is less solubility of the sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so sodium bicarbonate is less soluble, that it will form the precipitate, and which can be converted at high temperature into the sodium carbonate. But in case of potassium bicarbonate, it completely dissolve into water. Okay, completely dissolve. That is why there will not be precipitate formation, and K2CO3 will not form. Okay, now in the detailed solution I am writing here, let's see. Firstly, you could try to go what is the Solvay process. Okay, that you have to know, that is what is Solvay process. Solvay process I already told in the previous video, that first of all we prepared, that is ammonium bicarbonate, ammonium carbonate, and after preparing ammonium carbonate, we prepared ammonium bicarbonate, and this ammonium bicarbonate is converted into the sodium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, and this sodium bicarbonate at high temperature convert into the sodium carbonate. This is the what? Sodium carbonate. Now what we have to do, we have to see the equations, and this what the sodium bicarbonate is there, this sodium bicarbonate, this will form what? This is the PPT. Okay, this is the PPT. Now see the equations. Okay, we have to see the equations, then only we can understand the things. So firstly you take the ammonia, liquid ammonia, and in this liquid ammonia what we have to pass? We have to pass the carbon dioxide gas, then you will get the ammonium, ammonium carbonate. Okay, take this ammonium carbonate and pass more amount of the carbon dioxide. Okay, more amount of carbon dioxide, and what will happen? It will give, that is ammonium bicarbonate, 2NH4HCO3, ammonium bicarbonate. Now what we have to do, this ammonium bicarbonate, okay, ammonium bicarbonate will react with the sodium chloride, and it will give what? It will give, that is sodium bicarbonate. This is sodium bicarbonate, and what it will give, that is the ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Now this is what? This is the PPT, precipitate. Okay, this what we do, where is NaHCO3 we are taking, and two molecule of NaHCO3 we are taking and heating at high temperature. So it is giving what? Na2CO3 plus, it will give CO2 plus H2O. Okay, why? Because this PPT is converted into what? That is sodium bicarbonate, and that water get out. Okay, now apply for the what? K2CO3. Apply for the K2CO3. Okay, so we will see that why it is not possible. Okay, so take the two molecule of ammonia plus water and plus carbon dioxide. You will get that is the same state. This step will be same, ammonium carbonate, and take the ammonium carbonate, and again you saturate this with the carbon dioxide. You will get that is ammonium bicarbonate. Okay, NH4HCO3, two molecule. Now what will happen? Take the ammonium bicarbonate and react with KCl. Okay, that is the brine solution. And this brine solution, when you are treating with the ammonium carbonate, it will give that is KHCO3, potassium bicarbonate plus NH4Cl. This potassium bicarbonate does not give precipitate, PPT, does not give precipitate. That is it completely dissolve into ions. So it does not give potassium by K2CO3, potassium carbonate. So when you try to understand these questions, okay, so easily you will be able to understand that when in the case of sodium carbonate, that is sodium bicarbonate give the precipitate. Okay, sodium bicarbonate give the precipitate. As a result of this, it will form that is at high temperature sodium carbonate. But in case of that is potassium carbonate, it does not give, potassium bicarbonate does not give precipitate, so that cannot be converted into the potassium carbonate. So this is all about the question number 13. In the meanwhile, while the answering question number 13, we are able to answer the question number 12 also, that is Solvay process. In the Solvay process, what we did, ammonia, carbon dioxide reacted, gave the ammonium carbonate, and ammonium carbonate again saturated with carbon dioxide, it gives ammonium bicarbonate. Ammonium carbonate react with ammonia bicarbonate react with sodium chloride, it gives the sodium carbonate, and sodium bicarbonate at high temperature it converted into the sodium carbonate with the loss of water molecule. Okay, so this is all about the question number 13. Thank you so much for watching, friends.